Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf. My website, checkinginwithchelsea.com, features DIY projects that help you enhance your home both inside and out. And this cool little armrest table is perfect for a spot on your sofa where you might not be able to have an end table. To get started, measure the width of the armrest where you'll use the table and the distance from the top of the armrest to your cushion. From a piece of 1x8, cut one piece that is 1.5 inches wider than your armrest and one piece the same length as the distance to the cushion. Then cut a third piece 1.5 to 2 inches longer than your cushion height. This piece will go on the outside. For assembly, you'll need some 3-inch trim screws, a countersink drill bit, and some wood glue. I'm using Titebond Original because it sets up super fast for a quick bond. And it also works great for indoor use. Use the countersink bit to drill a pair of pilot holes in each location before you drive the screws in to secure the joint. These trim screws have a tiny head, so they're nearly invisible. After you repeat the process with the other leg, you can sand all of the edges before you apply a coat of stain, followed by a clear polyurethane sealer. It takes less than an hour to build this armrest table, and depending on how long it takes your finish to dry, you'll be enjoying the convenience of your table and receiving compliments from your friends in less than a weekend. Now you've seen my project, it's time to share yours with the hashtag Titebond for the win, or search the hashtag to see what others are creating.